nshaka gushimira inshuti zanjye zose zaje hano bafashe umwanya wabo baraza muri gatushuri yanje ndabashimiye cyane.
Bagaza ni gutekereza twakora kugira ngo twiteze imbere nk'urubyiruko rw'Abanyamulenge?
Gukundana.
Gukundana?
Gukundana,
yes. Kuzirikana umuco.
Yeah, I'm happy for her, you know what I mean? We both graduated and everything.
No, gira ngo turashaka kubivuga mu Kinyamulenge kugira ngo
I can't, I swear, I'm having long.
Maybe use Kiswahili.
Not even Swahili, English. It's calm.
You have been in Kenya.
No, I swear, bro, I can't.
Je ndiri Joshua Bagaza.
Joshua Bagaza.
Oh, no, dis-toi Joshua Bagaza.
Bagaza cyangwa Bagaza?
Bagaza,
not Bagaza.
Yeah.
Sure, she has to learn like English and stuff to see where she has come to the States. Like it's very like a proud moment for me.
Okay. Ikibazo kindi ndakikubaza mu Kinyamulenge.
After the intro, I don't know how I feel, but hi, my name is Sammy.
Yes.
Sammy Kunda.
Okay.
And yeah.
Yes, Sammy. This is the Andrew Rans, the voice of Mulenge. As you can see in our camera, we have the biggest man. I don't know if turagira ngo reka nkubaze ikindi kibazo kimwe mu Kinyamulenge. Ni izihe mpinduka wifuza kubona mu rubyiruko rw'Abanyamulenge?
Nyabisubiza mu Cyongereza?
No, nshaka kubivuga mu Kinyamulenge kugira ngo n'abatumva Ikinyamulenge bashe kubyumva. Ni izihe change, ni izihe mpinduka? Ni izihe hope ushaka kubona muri community? Ibihe byiza kuri mwese mukomeje kudukurikirana kuri Voice of Mulenge. Turizera ko mumeze neza n'abatameze neza. Turabasabira kuza kumera neza, tukaba twongeye kubaha ikaze mu biganiro byacu. Kuri microphone ni Andrew Rans, the voice of Mulenge. Niba ari ubwa mbere ugiye kubana natwe, tukaba tugusaba ko wakora subscribe, share, like and comment kugira ngo uzagende ubana natwe umunsi kundi. Ikinyamakuru cyacu ni ikinyamakuru giharanira ubumwe n'ubwiyunge, impirimbanyi z'amahoro. Rero uyu munsi wa none tukaba turi mu gihugu cya Canada, uko mubibona kuri kamera zacu. Tukaba turi kumwe n'urubyiruko rw'Abanyamulenge rubarizwa muri iki gihugu. Aha tukaba turi Winnipeg, the capital city of Manitoba, aho tugiye kuganira n'uru rubyiruko. Uyu munsi wa none hakaba hari bamwe basojeje amashuri yisumbuye cyangwa se high school barimo ko graduatinga, ndetse n'abandi bari muri university, n'abandi nabo bakibarizwa muri high school. Tukaba tubahaye ikaze mu kiganiro cyacu.
Amazina nitwa Pacifique Muhumure.
Okay.
Tuye hano Winnipeg, nanje nigira kuri University of Manitoba.
Pasi, twagira ngo tukubaze ibibazo bikeya nka bibiri. Ikibazo cya mbere kiragira iti education mu rubyiruko rw'Abanyamulenge utekereza ko ishobora kuzana izihe mpinduka?
Education mu rubyiruko rw'Abanyamulenge izana ibintu byinshi, cyane cyane iyo urubyiruko ruba educated bagira a transformed mindset. So iyo urubyiruko rugize transformed mindset bakora impact yari yose muri community, be it in terms of leadership, ibintu bijanye na leadership, n'ibintu bijanye na in terms of even their career wise. So education has many things.
None se bwana Pasi, niye mpinduka wifuza kubona mu rubyiruko rw'Abanyamulenge?
Impinduka nifuza kubona mu rubyiruko rw'Abanyamulenge ni ukubona urubyiruko rw'Abanyamulenge bahagurutse bari gukora advocacy yabo.
Yego.
So nta muntu wakora advocacy atarize ntibishoboka. So iyo umunyeshuri iyo urubyiruko rwize bashobora bonyine kwikora advocacy yacu, especially what's happening back home. So I believe that education can yodufasha tukagira transformed mindset.
Yego.
Tukanikora advocacy ku bwacu n'ibiri kuri wacu.
Okay, urakoze cyane Pasi.
Mazina yanjye banyita Miriam Beza, nkaba nuye hano Winnipeg, Manitoba, nigira muri University of Manitoba.
Alright. Miriam, uri umukobwa w'umunyamurenge uri mu ishuri urimo kwiga university muri Canada, ibintu bishimishije cyane. Nagira ngo mbe nakubaza ibibazo nka bibiri. Ikibazo cya mbere ni zihe mbogamizi umaze kubona ziba mu rubyiruko rw'Abanyamulenge, especially mu gitsina gore abakobwa bahura nazo kugira ngo babe bajya mu mashuri cyangwa se babe bayafata ireme, babona education ifite ireme?
Cyane cyane mu bakobwa navuga ngo muri community yacu y'Abanyamulenge ari ukuntu tudakunda kusapotinga, ntabwo dutanga support, habe no guhera ku babyeyi bacu bonyine, hari ukuntu batabibona nk'aho biri ngombwa, cyane cyane kupasuinga education ya university, abona ko wenda uko umukobwa yorangiza nka high school akahita wenda ashakwa cyangwa agakora ibindi bintu, tubabona impamvu y'umukobwa cyangwa w'umunyamurenge ashobora kujya mu ishuri nko muri university ngo abone akazi keza, ibintu nk'ibyo ngibyo. So ikintu cya mbere navuga ni support, balakinga support, balakinga umuntu ubereka icyo bokora cyangwa ubereka ko bishoboka, so iyo confidence yo kubikora ntayo babona. Cya kabiri wenda navuga wenda sinavuga ku bakobwa gusa, ariko navuga ko wenda ubushobozi cyane cyane uzakunda kuba ikibazo, ari ndimo navuga wenda ko muri countries wenda hano tuzakunda nko kubona ama student loans and everything, ariko back home nko muri Kenya, muri Congo, hehe benshi bacu banyamurenge tuzadukunda kutabona ubwo bushobozi bwo kutujana hariya, ariko aba ariyo solutions zinshi zo ku.
Urakoze Miriam, gira ubutumwa bugufi wagenera abantu bari kudukurikirana kuri Voice of Mulenge, ku rubyiruko rwacu rw'abanyamurenge.
Message natanga uno munsi no kuvuga ngo uno munsi niwo munsi dufite, ntabwo ufite ejo. Tomorrow is not determined, tomorrow is not, you don't know what will happen tomorrow. So ibyo byose uri gushaka gukora bikora uno munsi, tutegereze ngo ejo wazagera, ngo ejo ntiyazigera hagera. Rero ibyo byose ushaka gukora, niba ari iryo shuri ushaka kujyamo, niba ari ako kazi ushaka kuapplyingamo, ibyo bintu byose ubikora uno munsi, kuko n'uyu munsi niho dufite.
Reka nkubaze ikindi kibazo kimwe mu kinyamurenge, ni izihe mpinduka wifuza kubona mu rubyiruko rw'abanyamurenge?
Nyabisubize mu cyongereza?
No, nshaka kubivuga mu kinyamurenge kugira ngo n'abatumva ikinyamurenge bashe kubyumva. Ni izihe change, ni izihe mpinduka, ni iyihe hope ushaka kubona muri community yacu y'abanyamurenge?
Hari byinshi nshaka ko bihinduka, ariko icya mbere ni ukuza twese hamwe and have unity, so tuze hamwe
nibikunanira you can add in English.
We share our thoughts together, come together, share what we think is the most important things for us as youth, and then to help build our youth basically.
All right, how do you feel about your graduation today?
I feel very happy. I feel like I'm blessed to be in this moment. It's been a long journey. God has been with me and my parents and my friends. So I feel very happy for everyone who's here, and I'm very proud of myself. For achieving these big dreams.
That's nice. Funny, what was the biggest challenge you faced during your studies?
There's a lot, honestly. Exams, daily assignments, like this. Sometimes school can be hard, so yeah, there's a lot.
All right. Funny, is there someone you would like to dedicate this success achievement?
To myself.
To yourself?
Yeah, to
myself. Nobody else?
To myself and God. Yeah.
Your friend, your family?
First of all, it's God, and then me, and then my parents comes after. Because it's me who has been doing this. Me and God. So, yeah.
Okay, anyway, Funny, what's the most important thing you learn in school?
Just being true to yourself, and then just focusing on yourself, building yourself, making friends, and just having fun at school.
Okay, anyway, what's the next after graduating? Any plan for the future?
I'm planning to go to uni to pursue medicine. That's my dream career.
Wow. Wow. So, who has been the biggest supporter through this journey?
My parents and God.
Funny, what is the advice you have for students still in school? Your friends?
Yeah, so all of you guys, just keep going. Don't give up. I know school can be hard sometimes, but just keep going. If you fail, get up and keep going until you achieve where you want to be. Okay?
The last question is Funny. If you could describe this moment in one word, what would it be?
One word?
Yes, in one word.
Wow.
The question is, if you could describe this moment in one word, what could you it be? What can you say?
I would say biggest achievement and a
Yes.
blessing.
All
Yeah.
right. Thank you so much, Fanny.
Okay, my name is Esther Mfundu.
Okay. Esther?
Esther Mfundu.
Nyampundu, mu
Yeah,
Kinyamurenge ni Nyampundu.
yeah.
Esther, how do you feel today seeing your big sister graduate?
I'm obviously like very proud. I'm
Mm-hmm.
so happy for her. She's gonna be like a big role model, and
Okay.
I'm gonna be like looking forward to her since she's like somebody that's already graduated. So she's gonna be giving me advice and leading me and guiding me through like high school and stuff.
All
So
right.
yeah,
So anyway, what makes you proud of your sister?
because she has come far, like
Mm-hmm.
start like coming to a country where she has to learn like English and stuff to see where she has come to the States. Like it's very like a proud moment for me.
Okay. Ikibazo kindi ndakikubaza mu Kinyamurenge, ni ikihe kintu ushobora kuba warigiye kuri Fanny?
Can I answer in English?
Kiswahili. Maybe
Kiswahili?
Kiswahili.
Okay.
Tumia Kiswahili.
Kitu yenye mfano amenifunza ni acha nifikirie kidogo. Ni maybe
What did you learn from her?
acha nione.
Kwa Kiswahili
Yeah,
ama kwa Kinyamulenge?
nafikiria. Kitu yenye amenifunza ni ku work hard. Hata saa zingine anaangalianga watoto anakwanga kama mtu mwenye ako na big role in the family.
Yes.
Like as the oldest sibling in the family. So anaangalia watoto anakuwa na kazi kama hizo, lakini bado anakuwa mzuri in school. So,
Okay. What would you like to say today to your sister?
I would like to say that I'm very proud of her. She has come so far, and we're also happy to see the place that she is in right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you all say congratulations to Fanny? All right.
Njandiri Joshua Bagaza.
Joshua Bagaza.
Oh no,
Bagaza is
Jewen Ditwa.
Yeah?
Ditwa Joshua Bagaza.
Bagaza changu Bagaza.
Bagaza.
Bagaza, not Bagaza.
Yeah.
Anyway, Bagaza, how do you feel to see your friend graduate today?
I'm a proud big cousin.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
Mm-hmm.
I never thought she would, but God helped her.
Okay, Joshua, what do you like to say to your friend graduation today?
I would say just like to keep going, you know, as she's pursuing medicine.
Okay.
It's a pretty hard one.
Okay.
So even if it starts biting you, you know, just keep pushing through.
All right. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Fanny, where were you?
And I'm gonna be a doctor too.
Be there.
Dr. Bagaza soon.
Amazina yaje yitwa Shizirungu Ndanyuzwe.
Yes. Amazina yawe?
Shizirungu Ndanyuzwe.
Ndanyuzwe. Ni gute wowe wakomeje kumenya ururimi rwawe mu gihe bagenzi bawe bo
kindi cyane cyane nzikora nzinganira na mama wanje.
Okay.
Kamuganiriza kamubwira ngo anyigishe Kinyamurenge. Nzireba n'ama video kuri YouTube yigisha Kinyamurenge.
All right.
Naza mfasha.
Okay.
Kafata amagambo amwe.
Okay.
Tangara kukoresha mu buzima busanzwe.
All right.
Yeah.
Waje muri graduation ya Fanny. Niki cyagushimishije kubona Fanny ya graduate inzu y'umuntu?
Nje nyashimye cyane kubona sister wacu hano Fanny ko ya graduating. Nukuri ni ibintu byiza.
Yes.
Kumubona hano nyine no munsi. Like turi kumwe ni famille yiwe. Ari muri graduation yiwe.
Yes.
Ndishimisha.
Niki ushobora kumubwira uyu munsi? Graduation yiwe.
Kumubwira?
Yes.
Akomeze teza imbere nukuri kubera yiteza imbere.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
So I just like to tell her to not give up. I just continue praying to God to help her whenever she's struggling.
Yes.
Through her schooling, and we're all here to help her. So whenever she needs, she can just call us and we can help her.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah, my name is Bisata.
Okay. Biseta?
Bisata.
Biseta. Biseta, turagira ngo tubwire mu Kinyamurenge dureke gukoresha ururimi rw'amahanga. Uyu munsi waje muri graduation ya Fanny. Wishimye bingana gute kuba waje muri graduation ya Fanny?
Yeah, I'm happy for her, you know what I mean? We both graduated and everything.
No, gira ngo turashaka kubivuga mu Kinyamurenge kugira ngo
I can't, I swear. I'm living long.
Maybe use Kiswahili.
Not even Swahili, English.
You have been in Kenya.
No, I swear, boy, I can't. Like, you can't understand it.
All right.
It's calm.
Okay. Biseta.
Yeah.
turi muri graduation ya Fanny, ibintu bishimishije. Wewe niki cyagushimishije uyu munsi wa none?
It's like she's about to go to medical school soon, you know?
Okay.
And like it's not easy, you know?
Yes.
You need like a lot of like courses and everything.
Okay.
It's like she did good in those courses and everything, and she graduated on time like that. That's good. That's a big thing to actually accomplish, you know? And like I'm just happy for her in general, you know what I mean?
Niki utekereza gishobora education ishobora kuzabafasha ejo hanyu?
In life, just in general, you feel me? Like
in general, education for youth Banyamulenge.
Daily basis, everything like school. You need school for sure.
Okay.
To get a job, everything. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Biseta, what do you like to say to Fanny?
Congrats, I'm happy for you.
Congrats. Bagaza.
Yeah.
Uyu munsi waje muri graduation ya Fanny.
Yeah.
Niki cyagushimishije? Niki wabonye cyagushimishije?
I'm very happy for all the hard work she put in, and it all came to an end, and it just shows that like anything is possible. Yeah, that's what I'm happy for.
Ushobora kubivuga mu Kinyamurenge?
No.
Okay, Bagaza, ni kihe kintu wabashe kwiga kuri Fanny mu bijyanye na education cyangwa se mu mibanire yawe nawe?
Something I learned is she goes to class a lot. She's always focused. And yeah, that's one thing I learned.
Okay. Bagaza, urubyiruko rw'abanyamurenge turi Canada hano dukeneye kuba twakora kugira ngo twiteze imbere. Ni biki utekereza ko bishobora kuzadufasha kugira ngo twiteze imbere? What do you think?
Kukundana.
Gukundana?
Yeah, kukundana, yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Kuzirikana umuco?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much Bagaza. Niki ushobora kubwira Fanny? The last question.
Yeah, keep going and never stop, don't look back, and don't listen to all the negative people, and yeah.
All right, this is the Andrew Rans, the voice of Mulenge. As you can see in our camera, we have the biggest man. I don't know if... How are you guys?
I'm doing fine. After the intro, I don't know how I feel, but hi, my name is Sammy.
Yes.
Sammy Kunda.
Okay.
And yeah.
Yes, Sammy. I want to ask you in Kinyamulenge. Do you understand?
Nope.
You don't understand?
Nope. I was born here. All I know is English and French.
Okay, Sammy, today you are here for Fanny graduation.
Graduation, yeah.
So, how do you feel today?
I mean, I have emotions that I cannot explain. I've grown up with her for a period amount of time, and to see her graduate, it's very heartwarming, and I'm really proud of what she's going to become, because this is only a stepping stone for the future that holds and is awaiting for her. So I'm very proud of her.
All right, Fanny, Sammy, what change do you hope to see for Banyamulenge youth of tomorrow?
I mean, the only change I wish is the change for the better,
Okay.
We need to be more coordinated, work together, and just in general be united as one is the only change I want, really.
All right.
As Banyamulenge youth, how do you think education can help to shape our future?
Thank you.
Nafikiria kitu yenye amenifunza ni ku work hard. Hata saa zingine anaangalianga watoto anakwanga kama mtu mwenye ako na big role in the family.
Yes.
Like as the oldest sibling in the family. So anaangalia watoto, anakuwa na kazi kama hizo, lakini bado anakuwa mzuri in school. So,
okay. What do you like to say to you? So what message can you give all Banyamulenge youth, wherever they are, about education in general?
Keep pursuing it.
Okay.
Sometimes it will kick you in the butt. Sometimes you might get a bad mark on a test, and sometimes you might struggle.
Okay.
But it's for the better. It's gonna help you in the future. When you least expect it, and it will take you on a path for success and greatness. So yeah, pursue it.
All right, thank you so much, Sammy.
No
the last question, what did you like to say to Fanny graduation today?
Go places,
Okay.
There's so many things that they've already said.
Okay.
That were already things that I was gonna say, but if I had to say something different, yeah.
Anyway, everybody, can you say congratulations to...
Congratulations.
All right, thank you guys. Okay. Thank you for having us. abantu baje muri graduation yawe ndetse n'abatabasha kubona?
Nshaka gushimira inshuti zanjye zose zaje hano bafashe umwanya wabo baraza muri graduation yanje, ndabashimiye cyane kandi bivuye ku mutima wanje. Imana ibagasanire kandi Imana ikomeze kubaheza umugisha. Ndazi ko mwari mufite ibindi bintu byo kujamwo ariko mufata umwanya wanyu muza kuri graduation yanje. That shows a lot of love kandi ndabashimiye cyane and I respect you. May God be with you and guide you. Mwakoze cyane. I love you.